In this video, we are going to discuss about lists. When the text is written in separate lines, it is considered as a list. In HTML, we are having three types of lists: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Ordered list is also known as a numbered list, and in this type of list, the list items begins with numbers. The second type of list is unordered list. In this, the list items begins with bullets or symbols. And the third type of list is a definition list, in which the list item does not have either number or bullets. In this video, I will be covering only the ordered list. As I already told you that ordered list is also known as a numbered list. So in this type of list, the list item begins with the numbers. As you can see, I have written the tags used. So when we have to create an ordered list, we require two tags, OL tag and LI tag. Both these are container tags. Now let's see the attributes of OL tag. There are two attributes of OL tag, that is type and start. Type defines that what type of numbering will be shown in front of the list item. Either it will be 1, 2, 3, capital ABCD, small ABCD, capital Roman number or small Roman number. If you want numbering to begin from 1, then type attribute is not required because by default it will take 1. If you want to begin it with capital A, then you have to write type is equal to A. If you want to begin it with small a, then you have to write type is equal to small a, and so on. Start defines when we don't want the list to begin with 1, with the first number or first alphabet. We want to break the sequence and want to begin the list with some other number. Then we make use of start attribute. And the value of start attribute is always a number. Then Li is also having one attribute, that is value. Its value is also a number. It defines when we want to break the sequence of the list items in between. Suppose I have started with 1, 2, and on third number I want 8. So I will give the value is equal to 8. Don't worry if you have not understood. We'll do one example. With the help of an example, you will be able to understand. So let's begin with an example. I will start with HTML. Then we'll write head, title. Let's give the title as list. Title tag close. Then head close. Beginning with the body tag. Now I will make an ordered list. Example of an ordered list. Okay, so first of all I'll begin with OL. For writing each and every list item, we make use of LI tag. Let's suppose we give first list item as LI. Then second list item as OL and LI both are container tags, so we have to close the list items as well as the OL tag at the end after completing the whole list. Then close LI. After this, you have to close OL tag. Now as you can see, I have started with OL. Then for representing each list item, we'll give LI tag and close LI tag. and keep on appending the list by using li every time. After that, at the end, you have to close ol tag. It represents the end of the list. You can give any number of list items, and you can also see that I have not given br here. So when you are using li, then br tag is not required, because li automatically represent the list items in separate lines. Now let's close the body tag, and at the end we'll close HTML tag. Now we'll save it. You know the procedure. I'll give the name like list.html and save it on the desktop. You can specify your own location wherever you want to save. I'm saving it on the desktop. Minimize it. Here it is. Let's see how it displays my list. I told you that ordered list always represents the numbers as 1, 2, 3 by default. As you can see here, let me zoom it so that you can easily see. Yes, just see that I had used 3 list items, pen, pencil and eraser, and I have not given the type attribute. It has taken by default 1, 2 and 3. Let's change something in my list. I had told you that OL is having the type attribute also. If we are not giving type, it will take the list to begin with 1, 2, 3. Now suppose I want to begin the list with small abcd, right? So I will write OL type is equal to within inverted comma small a. Now I will save the document by pressing Ctrl S. Then I will switch on towards my web page. Press F5. See, the list item is represented with small abcd. In the same way, you can do it for Roman numbers and capital abcd. If I want to display the capital Romans, you will write down capital I, save it, and then give. It will be shown like this, right? And if you want capital ABCD, write capital A here, save it, and just see the effect. It will show you capital ABCD. Okay. Then the second attribute is start. It is used when you want the list to begin from any other number that is other than 1. By default, the list will always begin with the first letter or first number. But I want to begin the list with other number or another alphabet which is not the first alphabet or the first number. So suppose I want to begin it with 6. So what will happen in this case? See, type is equal to A. So it will begin the list with the 6th alphabet, because start is having the value as 6. So it will begin the list with the 6th alphabet, that is F. Let's see the effect of this. See, it will show you F, G, H. Now suppose if you are changing it here, if you are giving a Roman number, then your list will begin with Roman 6. See, in this way. Okay. But start will always be having a numeric value. You cannot change. If you are using type as Roman number, you will not write a Roman number here. Here you will write down the position of the alphabet or the Roman number. It will be the 6th position or 7th position or whatever position of the list it will be, and your list will begin with that particular number or alphabet. Okay. Now let's discuss the another thing, that is the attribute of li tag. I told you that li is having the value attribute. Now let's remove this so that you are able to understand. Now suppose you want to break the sequence of the list. Like if I have written here capital A, so my list will begin with ABCD. Now I want after A, it should represent E. It means I want to break the sequence of list. So on the second position, I will give li value is equal to 5. So what it will do, after writing A in front of pen, it will give the value of pencil as the fifth alphabet, that is E. Let's save it and see the effect. See, now here the sequence has been broken and after A it is representing E and then F.